Hello and welcome to Tackle Technology. We are so happy to have you here today with us. We decided to share a video that we hope you find helpful. We hope you like our video.
Have you ever been to a website that had too many advertisements, links, or pictures that weren't related to the article you were trying to read? Microsoft Edge has a tool built in. If you open up the web browser, if the website was designed to be able to use this feature, you should see an icon called Immersive Reader. I have my mouse on it on the upper right corner. When I click on it, it will take away all of the background graphics and anything that isn't related to the original content. I can also adjust how it looks. If I want to stay focused on a single line at a time, I can activate that setting. Then when I click read aloud, it'll read to me and I can rest my eyes.
Services. Call us to develop a customized training package to meet your needs. We will discuss your specific goals and any current challenges you may be facing. Our customized training sessions are molded to your unique situations. Guidance will be provided as you practice what you learn.
So that is an example of read aloud through Microsoft Edge Immersive Reader. Now, what do you do if that is not an option? You're at a website that doesn't have the Immersive Reader as an option. Well, what we can do is we can type in our search box for magnifier, activate it, and on the bar, the magnifier bar, we see an option for read from here. I can click that icon of the arrow with the speaker, and I click on the text I want it to read.
We will create a plan unique to you. No two individuals are the same, and we will work to eliminate any barriers that you might be facing. If you are unsure of how to use your technology, phone, tablet, smart home devices, lack the confidence, or are intimidated by all of the options, we can walk you through the steps to become a regular confident user. We can offer suggestions for customers who may have physical barriers to accessing the phone or tablet, including those who may have limited vision or have difficulty physically accessing the screens.
So there are options to have assistance when you're reading on a web page.